Hi, everyone, and welcome to Beyond the Crown, the Women of Mrs. Maharlika. I'm your host, Chai, and I'm excited to have you here. This podcast is all about celebrating the women behind the Mrs. Maharlika pageant, their stories, their journeys, and the Filipino heritage that connects us all. Hello, everyone, and welcome again to Beyond the Crown, the Women of Mrs. Maharlika, Idaho 2026. I'm your host, Chai, and in this series, we're getting to know the beautiful, inspiring women behind the sashes. For today, we have a special guest. Why don't you introduce yourself with your name, where you are from in the Philippines, and where you are from here in Idaho?
Hi, everybody. Hi, I'm Mary Jane Brooks. I live here in Boise, and my original hometown is Northern Samar, Philippines. So, yeah.
So you speak Bisaya?
Yes, actually, I speak Bisaya slash Waray.
Okay.
Oh,
Yes.
yes.
Thank you for being here today. So you mentioned you are where you are from in the Philippines. So how did you end up here in Idaho?
Uh, Originally, is my husband's in military. He's in the Air Force, and his service for 23 years. Thank you, Lord. And now, because the Air Force bring us in here in Idaho, so now we just stay in here. And
Where did you come from before here in Idaho?
before we just stayed in Europe for 10 years, I think, almost 10 years. So we just like more travel all Asia and Europe. So that's a good thing when your husband's in military. They can travel and explore everything.
Yeah. Okay. So how long have you been here in Idaho now?
I think 21.
1 years.
Sorry, 2021.
Oh, since 2021.
21. Sorry.
Okay. So how are you liking it?
So far so good. I like it. It's much more like it's not too big, it's not too small, it's not too crowded. Like it's a perfect place for our small family.
Okay. Thank you, MJ. So let's start with something simple. So if I will ask your friends, how would your friends describe you in 3 words?
I think I'm gonna say like goofy, funny, and something like sweet. Too
Yeah, I
sweet?
saw the goofy part during the Veterans Parade.
Yes. Hey, we only live once. We need to be fun and happy and like enjoy, relax.
I agree with your friends. So, what's something people might be surprised to learn about you?
I guess just watch and learn. No, I mean watch and see. So right now, like maybe just a simple one. So
Okay, so there's nothing you're.
nothing special yet.
Yeah, okay. So, let's talk about your journey with Mrs. Maharlika. So, what inspired you to join this year's pageant?
I think the inspire me is like yung friendship. Like you will see, like you will meet new one. Like no other, because you just joined the pageant. It's kind of like experience to have like a new different one na kakaiba sa mga pang-araw-araw mo. So, parang i-explain mo or na-explore mo yung sarili mo na because this is set, how come na I will not try the different one.
Okay, very good. So, how has the experience been so far from the orientation when you signed up and then we immediately sent you all for a photo shoot and then the event leading to the Maharlika Ball?
Masaya. As in, masayang masaya. Yung parang akala mo hindi ka nagjo-join, parang akala mo hindi pageant, parang akala mo tropa lang. So, parang like, the more longer na nagkakasama kami, the more longer na parang natural lang. So, parang walang emeng arte or something na hindi. Yung parang relax lang. Enjoy lang.
That's good. And how was the photo shoot?
Oh, absolutely stunning. I love it. So, it's kind of like, you're not like doing,
A photo shoot?
yes. So, parang naglalaro lang. Yung parang
And,
paemeng laro na pero nandun pa rin yung seryoso.
and how did the pictures come out?
Oh, I love it. Everybody love it, especially me, my husband, my daughters. Like when I sent it to my family, sorry, my family, like, my daughter's like, wow, mommy, sigurado ka ba yan?
Ethel did a really good job.
Indeed.
So, what part of the competition are you most excited about or nervous about?
I don't know, maybe the talent. I will not tell you guys what is my talent yet. So I'm gonna surprise you yet. So I guess talent, and I'm not sure about my evening gown. Evening gown's like fabulous.
Okay, so that's what you're excited about.
Yes.
Okay. Is there anything that you're nervous about?
Not really.
Okay.
It's just for fun. This what I said before, for fun. Just for fun slash serious, of course.
That's good. When you think of the word Maharlika, what does it mean to you?
Pagsasama, um, pagkakaibigan, loyalty, yung the respect. So that's what I call it, Maharlika. It's just like pagkakaibigan, loyalty, trust.
Okay, beautifully said. So, as Filipina here in Idaho, I know you said you were just here 2021. How do you stay connected to your roots and our Filipino culture, knowing that there's not a big community here?
Um, because like I don't know if you guys know, but I'm a chef slash cook something. I don't know, but yeah. Anyway, I just like keep cooking lots of foods. I just like giving other people the foods that I made. Like I'll just share them, and of course, even they're not Filipino, also even like they're far, andun pa rin na yung pakikisama.
And so you mentioned you're a cook or a chef. Can you talk about a little bit about your work?
My work right now is like now I like work with the kids. I love them. Their kids are adorable. You will know the different ages. So as a cook, na you need to be sure that the small kids, especially small kids, may mga different allergies sila. So kailangan mo silang make sure na it because you're cooking, you need to make sure that they're healthy and they're away from allergies. So that's why like I'm avoiding all these babies. But it was fun actually.
Yeah. Have you made some Filipino dishes for them already?
Yes. Actually every week I'm making them different kind of Filipino foods. They love it. Actually my boss like, hey MJ, do what makes you happy, do what makes the kids happy. Go
What's
for
your
it.
favorite so far?
They like the pancit.
Ah,
It's a long life.
Yeah. So, what Filipino value or tradition do you hold closest to your heart?
Christmas. I love Christmas. Like not only Christmas, but of course I like Thanksgiving because we're just like we every day actually nag-enjoy naman kami. We always like have banding. Pero Christmas for me is like more colorful, more happiness, more magic.
Do you have a parole at home?
Yes, I have like actually meron akong malaking parol. I'm excited for that, especially my mom's coming next week. They're gonna be have a magic house.
Ah, and then since you mentioned Christmas, are you one of those who start Christmas early? Like in the Philippines, it starts in
I
September.
wish I could say that, but my husband said like wait until Thanksgiving. But I already have my Christmas light, just a little, in the outside.
Okay, okay. Is there a cause or advocacy that's important to you during this Maharlika journey?
Um, sorry guys. I actually I want like three things that I wanted: helping children and families, empowering women and mothers, supporting mental health and positivity.
Yeah.
So that's why I just call these three of them because as a we family we just like make sure that they're they're good and they are close in my heart. Like whatever happened, like good or bad, they're still in my heart. They're close. And for empowering woman and mother, for me, it just like it because we are woman, kailangan maging matatag tayo. Kailangan maging nandyan yung confidence, yung straight, yung beauty inside out. So, it because we are mother, we are woman, we know sa sarili natin na we can do more. And the last one is supporting mental health. Sa panahon ngayon, um, sa panahon ngayon is kahit yung iba, akala natin na okay sila. Pero deep in their heart, deep inside, nasasaktan sila. So, for me, it's like this is the important one, the health. Because right now, yung ibang tao, yung kahit there doesn't matter about the age or the age or young. So, for me, it's like I want them to like support their mentality, listen them, just because sometimes other people that know how to listen. Ikaw, sarili mo, if someone's like na alam mo may mali sa isang tao, just try to talk to them. Just try heart to heart. Just ask Evan like, how's your day? How was everything? How was your weekend? Did you eat or anything? Just ask them like a small conversation.
Yeah.
So, make sure that they're okay. Check them. I know sometimes busy tayo, pero sometimes you need to tell them like, check them. Just a simple hi, simple how are you? It makes them.
Makes a difference. Yeah. Yeah, that's beautifully said, MJ. So we are towards the end of our conversation,
Nice.
but before I let you go, let's do a little quick fire round. Just pick one and no overthinking.
Go for it.
Before I do
Ready?
that, what's your signature dish?
Um, Sweet and spicy.
Oh, is it chicken, pork, or
Chicken. They love it. Of course, the pancit and then the lumpia. They love it. Especially when the lumpia is overload lumpia. Sometimes I'm putting some like twist.
okay? So it's called an overloaded lumpia.
Yes.
So let's start. Adobo or sinigang?
Sinigang.
Heels or sneakers?
Snickers.
Morning person or night owl?
Morning.
Do you have a favorite OPM song?
Uh, Not very much. Like
Favorite song?
I love you this. I love you this big by Scotty McCreery.
Okay. Dream vacation spot.
Paris.
Who inspires you the most?
My family.
Why?
My family is everything. So, kung wala sila, wala din ako. I mean, they're all my world. They're my happiness. They're my joyful. They are my everything. So, if ever the world's big against with us, who cares? This is it. My family.
So that was really fun, MJ. Thank you for opening up with us. And before we wrap up, what message would you like to share with your supporters here and across the world and the Filipino community here in Idaho?
Hi. First is I want to say thank you to God. Thank you, Lord, for this opportunity. Thank you, Lord, for another life, another blessing, another good health. And of course, thank you then sa family ko, to my husband who always supported me. And I told him like, hey, if I've joined the budget, are you gonna support me? Like he said, no question to ask. Of course, I'll gonna go with you. Also with my daughter. Thank you for both of them that always there. Then of course my family. They're gonna be like, hey, sure, sure, sure. So and then back home, guys, alam ko nakikinig kayo. But anyway, thank you. Sana you guys support me. Even you're not support me, just I'm sure you're gonna support me anyway. But salamat, salamat, salamat from the bottom of my heart. Sana continuing for voting me. And then dito sa Boise, all my friends from Mountain Home, guys. Mountain Home, I know you can support me. All my friends from Air Force, please support me and her in Boise. Guys, thank you so much for supporting. Looking forward and other people who's too far from away, my family back. Thank you for supporting.
So please don't forget, we will add the link for the pageant planet. So thank you, MJ. This
Thank
is
you, Chad. Thank you for having me.
and see you again next time.
Bye!